Hey. So I'm coming to you live today because I'm hearing a lot of questions about rising interest rates and also the burning question, are we in a housing bubble? So there's a lot of doom and gloom in the media. People are sort of panicking. So I'm just here to sort of try to put all of those concerns to rest. So first of all, we are not in a housing bubble. What happened in 2008 is completely different than what is happening now. So don't worry about that. Everybody's home prices are not going to crash and burn anytime soon. What we are going to see is a stabilization of the market because right now we have a lot more demand for homes than supply, as we've talked about before. So you're going to see a stabilization of that, and there's also rising inflation, as we all know. So I am not an economist, but part of the reason that they raise the interest rates is to combat that inflation. And what that means is as they're raising the interest rates, it's going to make it even more difficult for people to buy homes, finance homes, because right now interest rates actually have gone up to 5% and they're expected to continue increasing throughout 2022. So what this means is there's going to be less demand for homes, and it's going to kind of calm down these just skyrocketing housing prices that we've seen for the last couple of years. And what that also means, which I kind of alluded to, is that for buyers, it's just more money that they're going to have to spend. So some buyers are kind of taking on more of a risk by getting adjustable rate mortgages rather than fixed rate mortgages. But if you are planning to buy, you should do it now rather than later because, as I said, those interest rates are continuing to grow. Real estate is still a really great investment. So if you can get into the market, it's a really positive thing for you. And then eventually, when those interest rates go back down, you can refinance at a lower rate. So these are all really good things for you. And I work primarily with downsizers, so people who are selling their homes and then looking to buy something smaller. So if that is you, it's still a really great time to do it. And I would recommend doing that sooner rather than later. So I hope that that answers your questions. We're not in a bubble. And the rising interest rates, while yes, making it a little bit more challenging for buyers, it's still a really good time to get in, get that real estate. Real estate is one of the best things you can do as an investment in your future. So that's it. Please call me 206-402-4338. If you have any questions, if you're thinking or buying or selling, I'd be happy to chat with you, answer any more questions that you have. Have a great day.